This is where we're going today. Departing day. Getting some snacks. Punta Cana.
Welcome aboard the ATL Sky. Next stop is DICC and Gateway.
So it looks like we went to the wrong Marriott, so now we're taking an Uber to the right Marriott because there's
There's no time when we wake up that it will mean that we get enough sleep.
搿像老早看空去的，这四周围起来这里搿阿拉看空下头就种点树树草草花花木木。侬忘记脱了？
侬讲乘40分钟下头啊？下头。侬讲乘40分钟下头。
Kimberly，哎，是你个倒对了。
We just woke up after like 3 hours of sleep, but look at this amazing airport view we have. Anthony, have you ever...
Probably also have some day trip.
My God, we're finally here. Oh my God. So they have shows every night and it's a different show each night. We're driving by some of the buildings that are closer to the main lobby, but our building is going to be closer to the beach, so there's still a long way to go. And this resort is huge and everything's gorgeous.
They only open at the dinner.
Wow, yes, the live camera, you know the live camera is over there.
is the Caribbean Sand Suite. Here. Over here we have the mini fridge. This is all included. We also have liquor on tap. Got some drawers over there. And this amazing that's the Panama restaurant, and the lazy river is right over there. It's really hot outside. Now, this is the closets. They have umbrella, bathrobes. And safe. They have hotel slippers. This is the bathroom. You have 2 wash tubs. We have this huge shower in the bathroom. There you go. Okay, so Anthony just made the calls to the front desk. We had to try a few times to make reservations for the restaurant. The Toro restaurant was especially popular and we couldn't get it booked for the next like 3 days. So it's really important that you get your reservations done on the first day, like plan out maybe what you're gonna wanna eat, and then like, yeah, especially for the popular restaurants, so that you get the opportunity to at least try each one once. So this is the map of the place. As you can see, it's huge. We are living in the Caribbean Sand Suite over here in the 8A building. Yeah, so the beach is up here, and then the main lobby where you check in is here. And the place is so huge. As you can see, this route, they have the trams basically driving around every 20-15 minutes, so that you can get to places quickly. And yeah, and so here the list. There's 13 pools, there's 9 restaurants, and then there's also an ice cream place, a pizza place. There's drinks, amenities, casino, places for you to shop, things to do if you're coming here for a wedding or some celebration. Yeah. We're now going to Ipanema.
This is the Hopong. Mama, look, this is just the pot.
睇下这是有顶啊，
Oh yeah.
这顶下来一点。
So this is for you if you want to stop the meat. You don't want the meat coming, and then this means yes. More. We had a few rounds of meat and now we are stuffed.
看就行了。
Oh yeah. This is passion fruit and a slice of mango with beer.
这是金哈林。
啊，是不不好得了高头，今朝 Kimberly 得了高头，差点落进去。
哦，我到那个。因为侬来嘛，侬跟侬漂亮啥？侬才过一点装的，快点来。这个这个的。啊，对。好叫吧，对了我。好叫的好，你那个。
Everybody but 哦，是啥子啊？
我要拍了。
姑娘上我就看了个一个人啊。
How to escape a rip current. So the rip current is that you can escape by going that way or ooh, they left us chocolate kisses in the form of a butterfly. Anthony and I are going to try to make this spa with the sweet grass. This is a shower gel. So this is the spa. We're trying to figure out how it works. This is the hydro spa tub, the instructions. So we use this to turn it on. We've locked it and now we're filling the tub up.
Oh yeah, is there any way to make it so fast?
I think if once the water fills up, then the jets will start operating or something.
No, you have to press on and off.
Alright. Bye. Thanks for watching.